Hello friends, how are you doing? And in this video, I will show you how you can fix Realme Narzo 50a network problem or mobile data not working problem. So if you're first time on the channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you're facing network problem or mobile data not working problem in Realme Narzo 50a, simply first of all you just need to tap on settings and then follow every single step and watch complete video. I hope so this will fix your problem.